Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check 4G or 5G in Samsung Galaxy phone. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's dive in. Method 1. Check via About Phone. Step 1. Unlock your Samsung Galaxy phone and open the Settings app. This is where all your device's settings and information are stored. Step 2. Scroll down and tap on the About Phone option. Here, you'll see detailed information about your device. Step 3. Look for the product name or model number section. If the product name contains 5G, that means your phone supports 5G networks. If it says not available or doesn't mention 5G, your phone most likely supports only 4G or lower networks. Note, the model naming might vary based on region or carrier, but this method is a quick way to identify your phone's network capabilities. Method 2. Check network mode settings. Step 1. Go back to settings and scroll to find the connections menu. Open it. Step 2. Tap on mobile networks to open mobile data options. Step 3. Find and tap on network mode or preferred network type. Here, you'll see the available network types your phone supports. If you see an option like 5G preferred, that means your phone supports 5G. If you only see 5G preferred or no mention of 5G, then your phone supports 4G or lower networks only. If you found this tutorial useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks on Samsung phones and tech. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.